Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to share your Snapchat profile link. Whether you want to connect with friends, expand your network, or simply share your profile, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat. If you haven't already, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, go to your profile. To do this, tap on your Bitmoji or the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page where you can see all your snaps and settings. Now, it's time to tap the share icon. Look for the three dots or the share icon next to your username. Tapping this will bring up several options for sharing your profile link. You can send it through text, share it on other social media platforms, or copy it to your clipboard for later use. Sharing your Snapchat profile link is a great way to connect with others, especially if you're looking to build your friend list or promote your account. By following these simple steps, you can easily spread the word about your Snapchat presence. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Snapchat and other social media platforms.